Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a new installation. So I'll be installing a new switch. So it's going to be the master, I believe, Windows switch for the driver side. So I'll show you this one is the one that actually lights up. If you guys haven't watched my previous video about my 5 months experience, one of the inconvenience I mentioned about is not having the driver side window switch illuminated, so there's no lights, so you cannot see which buttons you're pressing. So these ones I just ordered it on Car Trim Home, I believe. I'll put the link in the description. So this is supposed to be compatible with the RAV4 Prime. So let me show you where it's going to be. So this is the window switch for the driver. As you can see, yep, well, the light just went off. Hold on. In the dark, you pretty much don't see anything. So if you want to unlock the door, lock the door, even, well, windows are not bad, you know, because it's very intuitive. But just unlocking and locking the door and all of these functions, there's nothing at all at night. So when it's pitch dark, let me just show you. Nothing. So you really have to go with your feeling and feel the buttons there. And you do have here, I believe one of them actually has a bump, so you know exactly which one it is. But just the fact of getting there is, for me, it's annoying. I know a lot of you folks left me comments last time that, yeah, okay, first world problems. But I do understand, but it's just, you know, something Toyota cheaped out. And I believe, like, you know, they could have just gave us one with the lights. The car is pretty expensive. I mean, I expected some premium stuff, but not even having basic lights on these buttons for me was unacceptable. So let me show you how to switch this. Let me just turn on the light so you can have a better lighting, and I'll show you how to replace this. It literally takes 5 minutes to do it. So let me show you guys. So what you're gonna need for this is my pry tools. So take one that's small enough that's gonna fit in the little slot there. I think I'm gonna go with this one here, and a Phillips screwdriver. So I bought like the big one and the small one, and obviously the switch itself. So what you want to do is you want to try to put your tool in here and pop this up, not the other side, because there's a hook there. So you want to try and do it on this side. Let me just show it to you here. There you go. So I got out. So once you have this clear lens, so you just want to, yeah, so there's a hook here, so you just want to, once this is out, just pull it out. And there you go. So on this side, as you can see, it's just one that goes straight inside. But on the other side is where you want to be careful. See this little hook here? That's the one that goes right in here. So you don't want to open from this side, you're gonna break it. You want to open it here, pull it out, and take these out. So you have two cables here. So I'm just gonna take them off camera after. And to remove the buttons, you have one screw here, another one here, and a third one here. So once you remove all these screws and these cables, you'll be able to take this one out. So let me try to unscrew this off camera, and I'll be back. So I managed to unscrew 1, 2, and 3. You don't have to remove both of these. You just want to remove this cable here. So you just want to press down on this and slide it out. I already removed it, and here you go. This is out, and this is supposed to come off. Hold on, let me just try this with one hand. There you go. Okay, let me just let this hanging for now. Remove this. So here you go. So this is also the dual action, so closing the window and then hard pressing it to close it. So yeah, so let's replace this. So the one I got, well, let me try to get this. This one here, so pretty similar. Let me just put them side by side. You can barely tell the difference. All you can see is, let me just show you here. You see here, there's no light here, there's no light here, there's no light here. These ones all light up. So you can see the difference. Shape wise, size wise is the same. So this is a new one. So let me just try to see if you also have the dual action. Yeah, it does. For the other side too, I believe. Let's try. Yeah, pretty good. So let me put this back. So same thing here. So you just want to put it back with the align the holes. Screw 1, 2, and 3 and put the cable back. So once I do that, I'm going to come back and show you what's the difference. So put the new one inside here. Looks like a perfect fit. Put the cable back too. So how you want to put this back is, like I showed you before, there's that little hook there that you want to place it on that side there. So let me just try to show you this. Hold on. There you go. Better lighting here. So just want to align it. Yeah, I can show you from there, but really down here, you want to align that. Push it. I hope I got it. There you go. So you want to really make sure this is aligned here, because if you pull it out a little bit, let me just show you this. Here you go. You don't want this little gap here, so you just, there you go. Now you know it's locked. And at the bottom here, it should align perfectly in that slot. So let me just push it in. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so let me just turn off the lights and let's test these out. Okay, so we're back. Sorry, light turned off. So right now the car is not on. My car is actually charging now. So let's see if I put accessory mode. No light. Ignition mode. There you go. Yeah. They light up. Nice. Huge difference. So all the buttons light up here. You have the lock 1, 2. Let me just double check if these work. Unlock. Oh. Okay, there was a small delay on that one. Okay, totally fine. Yeah, they all work. Highly suggest this, guys. It's not expensive and it's a 5-minute modification. So yeah, that's it, folks. Hope you liked the video. So let me know in the comments what do you think about this modification, and if you have any other suggestions of videos I should be doing. And if you haven't done it yet, please like to this video and go watch the other videos I've made if you're interested in modifying or to see a little bit what I've done with my RAV4 Prime. And if you haven't done it yet, also subscribe to the channel. I do have another video coming, which is this one here. I bought this little badge here. It looks pretty nice. It's not too flashy and it fits the color of my car. So it's gray, black. It's a little bit of white too. So I'm going to install this in my next video. So stay tuned for that.